folks. See 2708 from Jamaica to Montauk. Actually, no, my correction, from Hunters Point Avenue to Montauk. 2708 Hunters Point Avenue to Montauk. Unofficially known out here as the Advance Cannonball.
Attention Long Island Railroad customers.
It has no official name, only the 406 train is the Cannonball today, is named. But this one everybody historically has referred to as the Advance Cannonball, at least in my lifetime out here, and I've been around a while. So I understand they're operating with 9 C3 bi-level cars today.
On the Cannonball, I'm going to use that. Not the camera. Really? Yes. That's fine. Well, I'm videoing and streaming at the same time.
You stream with your hand.
Good.
It's better.
With only 9 cars, they most likely will not do a double stop today. They'll make them walk forward. All right, here it comes, around the curve. Okay, 9 cars today. Packed. Standing room only. So here we are, 2708, unofficially the Advanced Cannonball, arriving at Westhampton on time for the start of the holiday season, the summer season, the holiday weekend.
Actually, really busy too.
It's Erica, darling. Slow down. My back is killing me.
Oh my
Smitty hobnobbing with his friends, former co-workers.
Oh, no, no, no. Not like a lot of
And they're still getting off. People are walking forward from car number 9.
I don't. Yeah, there's a way. Well, he probably has no. Hey, good.
Take care. See you on Facebook. I'm always there, you know that. I'll go up there and beat the shit out of him if he was there.
Have fun.
One way. Enjoy that ride back on the bus.
I'm on vacation then at that point.
Have one for me.
Okay. So there we have it, 2708, first trip of 2018. .406 in trail. And here we have the scene at the Westhampton station. Start of the Memorial Day weekend, 2018. And if you think this was anything, folks, wait till we see the Cannonball arrive here at 5:41 this afternoon.
What's the third train there?
First run of the Cannonball with its 12 cars.
Hey, if they cancel the Cannonball, I would giggle really hard. No, really?
Okay, everybody, we'll be back on the air a little later then. Take care now. Welcome, replay viewers, and good afternoon, everybody. Now we're live at Westhampton Railroad Station, Long Island Railroad, Westhampton Station. Lucky Dog, thank you for joining. And we're taking a look at the westbound LIRR train 2709 from Montauk, which is coming into Westhampton now. We had the video of it at Mastic Shirley earlier today. Let's go to the landscape mode here. You bet. Boy, this is the start of it. And of course, we're all here for the Cannonball, first trip of the Cannonball coming in. So anyway, here's our 5-car set coming back from Montauk as 2709. This went out earlier as 2796. And I'm surprised at the amount of people who are getting here on here at Westhampton to go to the city or up west. The Cannonball arrives at 5:41. .541 is due in Westhampton. It leaves Penn Station at 4:06, and it runs non-stop to Westhampton. And after Westhampton, it stops at Southampton, Bridgehampton, Easthampton, and Montauk. So this is the train with the 12 C3 bi-level cars, and the first 3 cars are the Hamptons Reserve Service, reserve seating. And it's the train that has the Cannonball logo on the front of the engines, on the front of the front engine and on the rear engine. So this train is running a few minutes late, but no big deal. We have one more eastbound train prior to the Cannonball. It's a backup to 2708, which just came through a little while ago, carrying excess passengers from that train. Again, we're at Westhampton, Long Island Railroad Westhampton Station, here on eastern Long Island. at the start of the holiday weekend. And you can see all the rail fans there lined up taking their photos. No, the Cannonball will be here at 5:41 p.m. It's just leaving New York City right now. It leaves Penn Station at 4:06. All right, everybody, we'll talk to you later then. Take care, folks.
Your news.
Welcome, replay viewers, and good afternoon, everybody. Okay, we're at the Westhampton station, Long Island Railroad, and we're awaiting the arrival of train 9708, which is running 30 minutes late from its scheduled arrival time here at Westhampton. It was due at 4:46, should be here by 5:15. This was a scheduled extra train for train 2708, which arrived here at 3:39. In addition to that, because there was such a backlog of people, a logjam of people at Jamaica, the railroad had to commandeer another train from another line and run it as a 2708 extra behind this one. So the next train will be at 5:26. And then 5:41 will be the Cannonball in its first trip of the year. So let's go to landscape mode here. Directly into the sun now, so it's going to be a little difficult to read your comments. Also, the wind is blowing into my microphone. Okay, so this extra train turned out to be a 5-car set with two DMs, two DM30 AC. now departing Westhampton. Next stop is Hampton Bays. And within another 12 minutes, we will have a third train arriving, a second extra train, supplementing the 2708, which came in at 3:39. All right, we'll be back on the air in about 5 minutes, folks. Take care. Okay, welcome again, replay viewers, and good afternoon again, everybody. Now we are awaiting what they call 2708 Extra, which was put into service this afternoon because of the high volume of passengers at Jamaica for the East End. So this is a supplemental train to 9708, which just came through. Thank you for that. So you can see the madness associated with this. Everybody coming out here to the Hamptons and to Montauk for the holiday weekend by Long Island Railroad. They took a regularly scheduled train off, I believe, the Oyster Bay line. It could have been the Port Jeff line. And they put it into service to carry customers out here to the Hamptons, out to eastern Long Island. And this is all in addition to the Cannonball, which is scheduled to arrive here at 5:41. That's the 12-car train.
Track 1, platform A, in approximately 3 minutes.
All right, there's our announcement. Should be here in 3 minutes or less. Let's go to the landscape mode so we can get a good view of this above everybody. I'm just going to move up a little bit, get past, we have a problem here with this poor young lady needs to get to Huntington, which is on the North Shore. So she has to make her way all the way back to New York City, to Jamaica at least, and then get a train from Jamaica out to Hicksville and then on the Port Jefferson line to Huntington. And taxi drivers here are quoting $75 to take people here from Westhampton to Patchogue, which would be the nearest westbound connection right now. Absolute insanity. Uber, I think, is saying they want $50 to go from here to Patchogue. But that's her only alternative. The next westbound train from this area is around 9 o'clock tonight from Spionk, about 7 miles to the west. And the next westbound train out of Westhampton here is probably not until about 11 tonight. Everything right now is eastbound for the holiday weekend. And people are still boarding the train here to go east toward Montauk. Well, let's see what this set consists of. How many cars? We saw how many got off the 5 cars from the last train. So this train is carrying all the people who would have been stranded at Jamaica. All right, DE 30 AC 400. All right, this set is 4 C3 bi-level cars, single engine. No pusher engine. You got the cab car 5017. Let's see how many people get off here at Westhampton. Not that many. How about that? But, well, there's a few. There'll be people, they probably staggered them, so they put the lot on Westhampton on the first train, and the ones going further east they put on the second train. This next stop will be Hampton Bays, followed by Southampton, Bridgehampton, Easthampton, Amagansett, and Montauk. It's crazy here today. It's the only way to describe it. This is an unscheduled extra train to carry the overload that was at Jamaica Station for 2708 and 9708. Okay, cab car 5017. All right, we're about 12 minutes away from the arrival of Cannonball. So let me shut this video down and get set up where I want to be set up for the Cannonball, because that was the main purpose for coming here today. I'll be back on the air in a little bit, folks. Take care.